One dilemma we at Design Builders often hear from prospective clients is, do they want a screened-in porch to keep the bugs out, but at the expense of not having an open-air pavilion? Or do they want an open-air deck to enjoy that outdoor feeling, but now having to deal with the bugs? Well, now you can have the best of both worlds. Retractable motorized screening systems are becoming more and more popular in the Delmarva region. These motorized screens hide during the day, allowing for that warm air and breeze to come through and not blocking that view you've always loved. In the evening, you can lower the screens into place, offering protection against those nasty bugs and gnats that want to find their way into your ear and your food. Design Builders primarily uses two screening systems, Phantom Screens and Finitex. No need for a door now, just hit a button. Retractable screens offer the ability to have wide openings, in some cases close to 20 feet in length, without using a column that can block your view. Retractable screens allow you the ability to enjoy all the seasons, and not just when the bugs aren't out. Retractable screens can also be used as diffusion for those bright sunny days, or when the sunset is blowing out the television on the deck. Design Builders offers a wide variety of options with these systems, all intended to make that backyard of yours your personal oasis. Tired of having bugs, but don't want to feel closed in? Design Builders has the answer.